Today I'm gonna vlog the day. It's a Saturday here in Dubai and we're going to China Mall, as Donald Trump would say. China. We're going to China Mall in Ajman. I think that's what it's called. Never been before. We'll have to see what we think. Hey little cove, what we saying? You're just starting to kick off, aren't you, boy, hey? You're just starting to kick off. We're going to China Mall. China. Ooh.
What's Daddy saying?
China.
What's he saying?
China Mall.
Is it funny?
China. Ooh. No, you don't look naked. You look naked now. You don't look naked now. Do you know where we're going?
China.
We're not going to China. We're going China Mall.
Yeah.
You wanted to go here for a while, didn't you?
Yeah.
What's it meant to be, China Mall?
I think it's like Alibaba, but in person.
Alibaba?
Yeah.
I think it's like the underground subways in Turkey where it's filled with fake stuff, but I don't know. I don't think you're allowed to film, but...
I had a look at it on TikTok,
Yeah.
and it looks a little bit like Dragon Mart.
Dragon Mart?
Yeah.
Well, Dragon Mart's a bit of a huge, sprawling nightmare, so we'll see what happens. China! China.
How many times are you going to ask me that question?
China! China! No, we gotta get fuel. No! So this is a cool little Chinese hire car. Look, watch this. Ventilation. Oh, aircon seats. And check this out, right? This, and this is like really smart cruise control. Better than my old Merc. It keeps it drives for you. It's really good. And it's a really cheap China car. So I'm not even joking, right? I'm about to eat half an apple. These apples are massive. And I've not done it for the video, but this is a China apple. They're from, where are they from? Fuji apple. They're really nice, but it's a China apple. There's a theme in this video. China. So check this out. This is the one bad thing about this car park. I'm gonna try and show you this with one hand. Look, big curbs here, and it twists all the way down 4 levels. I'm pro doing this with one left hand. Like, I don't know if you can pick up on this. I'm doing it slow because I'm trying to capture it, but look. And it's the same on the way in as well. It sucks. I love Emar, but like, why did you do it like this, Emar? I'm a little bit faster than this when I'm actually just paying attention to that. Why do you do it like this? Look at it, how tight this is. Curbs everywhere. You gotta watch the front and back end. Nightmare. Oh, look at this. Maybach music. So yeah, we're gonna get some fuel. These guys actually fill it up for you. You don't even have to get out of the car, which is cool. It's busy, very busy. So he's filling it up, check. Engine's still on. Don't care here, it's amazing. Gotta keep your aircon running, ain't you? So that costs about 25 quid to fill it. How many litre tank? 50 litre tank? So 50 litres we just put in, and it was just over 25 quid, to let you know prices. So this is the first time we're going to Sharjah, which is, I believe, a different emirate. I'm 99.9% sure it's a different emirate, one that we've never been to before, so that's where China Mall is. And I'm on autopilot here. This thing is driving itself, which is pretty epic to say it's a cheap China car. So it's not Dragon Mart, it's Ajman China Mall, right here. So we're here, that was a right drive. That took ages. That's a cute little baby. Sleeping baby. So I'm not sure what to expect here, and I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to film, so I'll do my best. Looks very spit and sawdust compared to what I'm used to. What's this? Fake Baskin Robbins? Is that fake? Is it real? Oh. First impressions are it's a slightly more civilized, smaller Dragon Mart. So I stayed in an Airbnb in Business Bay a couple of times ago or whatever, and they had these Rani floats in there, and I tried them and they're really good. I don't know about peach, can't remember if it's that flavour I liked. I think the mango is really good. Yeah, so I thought I'd get one, so just saw one. 3 dirhams. So this is a little food court, Chinese. So yeah, there's not much to it, but we'll get something because we're not eating today. It reminds me of backpacking around Southeast Asia. Kind of, I love eating places like this, like little. You never know what you're going to get. You never know if it's going to be really good or really bad, but it's usually quite cheap. So I wish I would have filmed that. We just had a woman dragging us around each one of these. Here she is. Bless her. Trying to get us fed. And now she's cleaning for us, bless her. It's crazy, isn't it? I love it. What do you think, sweetheart?
Scared.
You scared? It's interesting, isn't it? She was friendly.
Yeah, she was lovely.
I don't really know what just happened. I just wish, here she is again. I just wish we could have caught that on camera, because that was great.
It was just a whole lot of doing this.
Yeah, just taking us to all different ones. She didn't care where we were at, just eat one of them. It was kind of cool, weren't it? If I were a pro vlogger, I'd have caught that, but I'm not. Go on then, tell me.
I don't know what I was saying now. Matt was asking for some meat.
I was asking for meat.
And she was like taking us around all of these different places. And then he was like, but what about those? And she's like, that's chicken. And he was like, that is meat. And then she's like, no, that's chicken.
I hope that caught on camera. It's a bit noisy in here. But yeah, took me around everywhere, nowhere did any meat. And then I said, that's meat there. And she's like, no, that's chicken. Oh, right, okay. Wheel of Fortune restaurant. Spin the Wheel of Fortune. See if you wake up tomorrow with the shits. Go. Okay. Ollie says it's alright.
I have no idea what it is, but I like it.
Yeah, it's alright now. I actually really enjoyed that. I feel ashamed to admit it was good. Just bought some magic corn, sweet corn, salt and butter. What do you reckon to the magic corn?
Really good.
Good, innit? What do you reckon? Yeah, yeah. So this place is bonkers. I'll debrief after. I can't really film it properly, but it's bonkers. This isn't the bonkers bit. So let me tell you all about that place then. Basically, from start to finish, it was a bunch of fake brands and stuff. So like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, bags, wallets, sunglasses, perfumes, like all copied perfumes. Basically, you name it, big names, it's in there. And it was cool. And I bought a couple of bits. I wanted some sunglasses and a little card wallet thing. I wanted them anyway. They're on my birthday list, so I bought myself them in there. Just so happens. I can't remember what they were. What were the sunglasses? Maybe fake Prada or something like that. I don't know. I didn't buy them for that. I bought them because they were about £8 and I needed some sunglasses. But yeah, highly recommended. I actually really enjoyed it in there. And the magic corn was cool too. It's a very long drive from Dubai, but well worth it. Actually, really, really, really good. Good day out, good few hours out. You will definitely end up buying stuff, get stuck in. They've got little secret rooms in the back. Like literally, this guy's like, you want to go a secret room? And he opened this room up and there's more stuff in the back, more fake bags, more fake trainers, more fake everything. Epic. So I know I didn't get loads of footage, but you got the idea. What do you think, Cole?
It was good.
Would you go again? Say it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'm tired.
You're knackered, aren't you? Bless you. Well, I've got an hour and a half drive home-ish now, so... But yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. I don't like impulse shopping. I definitely don't like jumble sale style not jumble sale, but like that kind of, like, you got to rummage to find what you want. Like, I don't really like that, and that was really good. I disliked Dragon Mart strongly, but China Mart in Ajman, Sharjah. This is China Mart, isn't it?
China Mall.
China Mall, not China Mart. China Mall, double thumbs up. Actually, really worth a day out. You'll actually really enjoy it. Like, don't expect too much, but you'll enjoy it. What do you reckon, crazy baby? What do you reckon, crazy baby? That's a beautiful little crazy face. Ooh, that's a cute little crazy. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say China. Say China. Last chance. China. Yeah, China. What about daddy? Say daddy. No? Not yet. Bye-bye from Cove. Wave. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I'm going to drive back now on autopilot with the China car. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.